everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ellie, and as you know, this is Ellie Talks Money, and we are getting right into an amazing video today. You guys know that I am your business coach. I teach you guys all about starting your business from the ground up so you can make more money, increase your income streams, and just live your best life. So in today's video, I am going to be talking to you all about the secrets that all the wealthy people know, and that is tax write-offs. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, y'all, so in today's video, we are going to dive into taxes. So we're going to cover what is a tax write-off, how can you use taxes to build more wealth and save more money in your business. I'm going to talk to you guys about some companies that you very well know of who are paying little to no taxes every year simply by understanding tax deductions. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you some secret bonus tips and apps that you can use to start tracking your expenses right now so you can save money on taxes too. So before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, set your post notifications on so that every time I post, you do not miss it, all right? Come on, get your notebooks out, y'all. Let's get into it. Okay, so starting from the beginning, what is a tax write-off? So I am going to tell you that a tax write-off is essentially an expense that you can deduct for business purposes, right? So here's something you guys need to understand. The tax code is over 72,000 pages long. And here's the thing, y'all, it is written to benefit business owners and investors. And that's just a fact. We have to think about when taxes were created, they were created in order to benefit and encourage business owners and investors to open businesses so that they could hire people, which would thus encourage commerce, and for investors to build property, which could give people housing. These are some of the two biggest ways that you can save on taxes if you're a business owner or an investor. Now, of course, as time has moved on, it's really become a system that mostly benefits the wealthy. People who work a 9-to-5 are taxed way more than those who own businesses or who are real estate investors or who invest in the stock market. So if you want to become wealthy, if you want to keep more money in your pocket, and you want to create generational wealth, you have to know taxes. So as your business coach, we're not going to be upset about the system. We're not going to be mad that it's favoring certain people. What we are going to do is learn the strategies, understand how to play the game, and also start businesses, become investors, so that these tax benefits can benefit us as well. All right, so now that we have defined what a tax write-off or tax deduction is, you all need to understand more about how you can align yourself with the tax strategy so that you can get favored by these benefits as well. So one of the first key things I will tell you to do, start a business. Start the business, sis. You have to start the business. So what that means is even if you are at a 9-to-5, even if you still receive a W-2, you can open a business, form your LLC, and while you are in the pursuit of profit for your business, any expenses you start incurring, such as if you buy inventory, if you spend money on travel, if you spend money on gas, on advertising, on your website, these are all things that you can claim as a tax write-off or tax deduction. And here's what's going to happen, right? So let's say you're making $50,000 in your 9-to-5. Then you go ahead and start your LLC and you spend $5,000 in the pursuit of profit to start your business. Those $5,000 in expenses are now going to reduce your taxable income. So instead of you being taxed on the entire $50,000 that you made, you're only taxed on $45,000. deduction. Now, that is going to save you so much money in taxes, and you may go from owing taxes to actually have the government giving you a refund check. That is just one of the simplest ways that you are going to be able to start saving money and do what so many of the largest companies are doing right now. So let me paint the picture for you, okay? Think about companies like Amazon, Google, Walmart. All of these companies are generating billions of dollars in profit every year. But because they understand how to take advantage of tax strategies, Jeff Bezos and Amazon paid illegal, but because they are using the tax code in their favor. So if they can do it, you can too. And while you might not have a billion-dollar corporation yet, because remember, we're all working towards it. So while you might not have that billion-dollar corporation yet, you can still implement these strategies even as you are just getting your business off the ground. And the sooner you understand how to use taxes to your advantage, the longer you'll be able to actually implement a tax strategy that's going to keep more money in your pocket, ensure that you are able to set up money that is passed down to your children and their children, and this is how we create generational wealth. All right, so now we've talked about what is a tax write-off, what's a deduction, how can you start taking advantage of tax write-offs and deductions right now, even where you are working the job that you may or may not like. You are still able to play the game of the wealthy and start saving on taxes. So here's how it all comes together. When you start that business, you're also going to start building your business credits. You're also going to start providing a service. I'm going to link 2 of my videos here at the top that are going to teach you how to start building business credit and how you can make your first $1 million selling digital products online. And trust me, when you make $1 million, you're going to want to know how to keep more of that money using taxes. So this all goes hand in hand. Now, getting started, here are the top 3 apps I want you guys to look at and download onto your phone to help you start tracking your expenses. I'm also going to link another video where I walk you through the common tax deductions that you are probably missing out on right now that you could be using in your business. So the first app I want you to look at is QuickBooks, okay, and I'll link that below. Another great app for keeping track of your expenses that you can use for taxes is Wave, is a really great one. And thirdly, I would want you all to look at PayPal. They have a really great software that you can use to accept payments in your business, and you can also use it to track your invoices, track your spending, so that when tax season comes along, once you've launched your business, you're able to go to one place and see all the things you have spent on. All right, y'all, so we learned a lot in this video. Please comment below and let me know what you learned today, and also tell me what you want to see more of, because as your business coach, I am knowledgeable in a lot of things, but I want to make sure I am delivering content to you that you can use to elevate your life and your business. So make sure that you like this video, save this video for later, and of course subscribe so that every time I post a new video you are notified. So again, as I'm always telling you guys, you are almost a millionaire. You just need to start the business right now. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.